Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you JIT Screener, a tool where you can go do some, research on the coins and also possibly find some interesting wallets where you can actually start following. All right, so guys, this is not a financial advice. Bear in mind, obviously, it's a risky business to invest in crypto, so do your own research. This video is only for educational and entertainment purposes. And also, guys, can you subscribe to my channel? It will be much appreciated. Okay, the algorithm will actually trigger my videos to show it to more and more people, which will help to grow the channel itself. And if you do subscribe, or if you already you already subscriber, thank you very much appreciated. Okay, so guys, let's go back. Now, JIT screener, right? So what do we have here? Okay, we got tokens, we got a list of tokens, trending top 20s, audited tokens, trending. Okay, and why this tool is interesting, because this gives you some sort of sentiment. Okay, it gives you obviously you can go and join all the groups on Discord or on Telegram or Twitter, and you can follow those informations regarding this particular token or that one there, or Griffane or FWOG. Like, there's tons of informations regarding each of these tokens, right? Or most of them, right? But if you want to just to grab the idea to what is actually happening, do the people actually hold this token? Do they they are paper handed, or just selling straight away? This tool is quite cool because, for example, look at this supply in Giga Diamond hands, right? So what it says is percentage of tokens held longer than 30 days without selling. Okay, so look, for example, this one, ARC, right? 22% of all the holders, 22 and 7.7, are holding that token for more than 30 days. Quite good, interesting information, isn't it? Okay. For example, which one here? Michi, 53.5% of all the holders holding that token for more than 30 days. Okay. This the Retardio token, 72.8% of the holders are holding that token for more than 30 days, right? Plus, if you go to supply in diamond hands, okay, when we click on it, it says percentage of tokens held longer than 7 days without selling. That's amazing, right? Look at this, Retardio, 85.3% of the holders of this token are holding that token for more than 7 days. Great, isn't it? Market cap, 55.2. We can click on it, see, okay, that's the one. Let's go copy that particular wallet, this address, and let's say and start do some more research on it. Okay, and we can jump into the next screen and see what's going on. Okay, we know it went up, it went down. Like, guys, now we can start actually do some the additional research on it. We can go into their Twitter, we can go to the Telegram, we can visit their website, and then we can do obviously calculated decision. Is it good to invest or is it not? So okay, leave it to you guys. But then look at this. This is actually I think this information is quite amazing because it gives you the idea of the sentiment of the people actually bought this token. Okay, if they are like 80% of those people are holding for more than 7 days, or 72 percent of people more than 30 days, means that they actually see some potential in it, right? In my opinion, I don't know what you think, guys. Everyone has to do their own research and make with their own conclusion. Okay, but look, for example, when we click on the view, okay, so once we click on it, we got another part which it might be very interesting to you guys. Okay, we see that in the form of the graph, right? So, and we see the story, right? We see the story. So, for example, if we do it by price, we see how the price was changing. Okay, plus what it says, like Giga Diamond Hands. Remember, those people are actually holding for more than 30 days. So there you go, it was changing. All right, we are here now. Okay, and it was actually on the same sort of type of level when it was back in September. September last year. Okay, so this is that's to give us some sort of additional information about it, as I said, like a sentiment. Okay, so people are roughly on the same sort of sentiment when they were back in September. Okay, so that's I leave it to you guys, to decide if it's a good news or not. Like as I said, like it's up to yourself to if you want to actually do some additional research on that particular one. Okay, we can also go and see, like trending coins like low cap, mid cap, large caps. Okay, but what I want to get into it, okay, is when we click on that diamond hand clubs. Okay, and we see that there are only listed tokens that are based on the top 100 diamond hands or for each token, and we will see those tokens on the left hand side. Okay, supply and held, value held, average holding time, score. Okay, score is a equation, like which they came up with. Okay, and also they give you, that's the part of the interesting, which you might that's why you decided maybe to click on this video. Okay, because it gives you the actually wallets who are actually holding those particular tokens. Okay, so for example, when we go inside, I don't know, this retired yuan, right? So supply held 37.83, value held 20.9. Okay, 6 months is average. They have a score of 9, and let's go and view. Okay, and here are the tokens. Okay, first top maybe two, first or three, they are probably a developer tokens. Okay, for so devs are holding those tokens. We are not looking into that ones, but rest of it, okay, we can go and analyze them one by one. Okay, I think that's quite amazing. Okay, it gives you the exact wallets which you can click on them. Okay, will be redirected to Soul Scan, right? You can do some more research of what's happened inside that wallet. Okay, you can go and you can track transactions on that wallet. You can go and copy it. Okay, you can go to good morning, good night, another very useful tool, and we can see what it's if is there any sort of what's going on in that wallet. Okay, what the total PNL is. Okay, last 7 days PNL, win rate. Okay, it's all been there. Okay, some of those wallets, let's be honest, they are like a bot wallets, but some of them, they are really belong to the people who actually trade in that regularly. Okay, and some of those people are actually quite good in that what they doing. And the reason, why I'm showing you guys those tools is that by using those tools, you get, getting good in actually analyzing this data here. Okay, it's a massive amount of data available now those days. You can become more and more efficient and better in finding those wallets which are quite good, and you can start, following them. You can potentially start copy trading them, but obviously before you start doing it, you have to do your own research. Okay, guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. I hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button. Any comments, leave it down below. Once again, if you can subscribe to that channel, it would be much appreciated. Do your own research. Okay, not a financial advice. Thank you very much. Bye now.